want you to breathe me. Let me be your end.
Oh, sorry if I'm just, sliding around. I just love this chair so much. Well, hello guys, hello again YouTube. Today I am back with a brand new video. It's going to be a home decor haul, but this home decor haul is mainly going to be about my little sewing studio area. It's right here in my living room. This was going to be where I would put my dining table, so it's going to be for both a dining table and a little sewing studio area. I've been taking courses this summer. I've been taking sewing classes. If you want to know where I'm taking my sewing classes, leave me a comment. I'll give you the information. I wanted to go back to making my own clothes. I was making my clothes since I was little, like 7-10 years old, because back in the islands my mom used to be a seamstress. She doesn't do it anymore. But yeah, she used to be a seamstress, so I remember when I used to wait until she go on errands or do whatever she needs to do, and then I would just like borrow her machine, like the old Singer with like the pedal and everything, the vintage one. So I would just kind of like trying to make my skirt, like make a dress. At some point I wanted to be like a clothing designer, but I figured there's like so many people doing it, like why bother? But one thing I've come to realization, sometimes it's hard for me to find clothes that fits me. I know you may think, oh, you're skinny, you don't have a problem. Believe me, when you're a skinny person with like wear bras like 32H, believe me, it's a problem. I know sometimes you don't really see them because I conceal them pretty well. So that's why I don't want them to be all out there. If I wanted to, I would have them all out. But that's always been one of the things that I've struggled with growing up, is being super small with like massive boobs, and I couldn't really find clothes that kind of like fit me nice, because I would be bigger on this area but the rest of my body is small. Like still till this day, finding dresses for me is just like it takes me years. And finding bras, oh my god, finding bras is a whole other story. It takes me forever. I have to like hunt down websites to find bras, because I do find bra places that make bras for people like myself. They are like all ugly, they look like maternity stuff. It's just like, no, I don't want to wear like ugly bras and like maternity looking stuff. Nothing against maternity bra, but I'm just saying I want to wear pretty bras like everybody else. And so that's why I'm going back to taking sewing classes, because I want to be like a professional at it. So yeah, and I wanted to have my own little sewing studio area, which is right here in my living room, right next to my office area where I do all my blogging shenanigans. So I feel like I kind of went off topic, but I just wanted to give you like a little story as to why I have a little sewing area in my house. Why don't we get started? I'm just gonna share with you guys what I have gotten. I've got a few other things, but mostly everything is about the sewing studio. So everything is right here on this table, which is like, this table is amazing. It's from IKEA. I've got it it was $160. It kind of looks like the tables you find at the stables, stables where they have horses. So it's amazing. I love this table. The thing I love about it are the legs, because the legs you can store things down there, because that's what I do. I store my sewing machine on the bottoms, and then I have my sewing books, my magazine on the other side of the leg. So this table is amazing. I love that the legs are wide, and then this is the wooden one. I just love this table. It's just like big enough for me to do my sewing studio. It's to the point where I completely abandoned my office desk. I just do everything here because I just like it. This is nice, and I just love looking at all my sewing stuff to get inspiration. So I love this. Next thing about the sewing studio are these jars. I've got another bigger one, which I will pan the camera around so you can see everything that's on the table. This is supposed to be for food, for you to store your food, but I thought they would look super cute with like different threads, so that's what I have. And this one I have little accessories like buttons and seam wrappers and all that stuff. This one I have the smaller threads, and then on the bigger one I have the bigger threads. It's so cute when I have like everything stocked. That was from IKEA also. I feel like I kind of like this haul. I feel like it's kind of like more personal. I'm not just like sitting there like holding everything, but I'm just kind of like, you know, zooming around and just grabbing everything and showing it to you guys. I kind of like this. And the next thing is the light. I need some like good lighting for sewing because I don't really see very well at night, and I need like to see details and everything. So I got this like this little cord. I wanted it in white, but they didn't have the white one there. So I'm thinking I'm probably going to spray paint it. Yeah, or maybe just buy the white one and then just like use this one somewhere else. And what else do I have for my sewing studio? For my sewing studio, I've got this little containers that you could just like hang on the walls. You could just put like little accessories on there. I just love these. So I have different sizes. I have the big one where I keep all my bra accessories because I can make a bra, guys. And I have the smaller ones for like smaller accessories. And so yeah, that's about those. And I've got this shelf also from IKEA. Pretty much everything is from IKEA from this haul. And the shelf was about $8, and I wanted a shelf right over the table to hang my cacti. So this is why I have the shelf there. And for the cacti, I think I must have bought about, let's see, I bought 6 cacti, and they're kind of like all different because I wanted like a green wall, like everything looking so pretty. I'm just so into the cacti trend lately. Ooh, poke me. And I also got the plant potter to hold the cacti. I think I got about 7 or 6 plant potter things to hold them, like all white, like super slick, like very pretty. Those were about $1.99 or $2.99. Again, you can find everything at IKEA. This is called a cardamoma, if you're wondering which one this is. What is the next thing from IKEA? The next thing from IKEA is this kind of like holder thing where I keep my scissors, my threads, my elastic to make this kind of like off-shoulder top. I've been making a lot of off-shoulder top lately. As you can see, pretty much like everything I've worn making videos, within my past videos, they're pretty much everything that I've made. So I'm really quite excited about that. What else do I have to show you guys? Oh yeah, leaving IKEA for a minute. I'm gonna go right back to IKEA. But I went to H&M Home. I wanted to get one of those hanging mirrors. I don't know where I really wanted to put it, but I just wanted to have one of them. So I ended up getting this from H&M Home. This was $24. Super cheap, and I really like this. I have it hung by my couch. I'm just gonna show you how I have it hang over there. And from Target, I've got this gold stapler. I've wanted a gold stapler for like, since I'm at my desk, really, like last year or 2 years ago. I wanted a gold stapler, and this is from the Nate Berkus collection with Target. So definitely check it out if you're looking for a gold stapler. You can find one at Target. This was about $16.99, I believe. And what's next to IKEA? Frames. I got these 2 frames from IKEA. These were about $4.99. I'm still looking for like beautiful. I bought this color. Hello? Congratulations! Those are the best ones. Grocery store to do what? Oh my fucking god, I can't get a break.